Good afternoon. Today is March 10th. We had the regular meeting of the Grand Rapids Economic Development Authority. We actually had a really lengthy meeting. We started with a public hearing regarding a MIF loan, which is a Minnesota Investment Fund loan that's actually provided by deed to the Grand Rapids EDA that we would then borrow to ASV. And that loan is a forgivable loan based on job creation. And the reason that we're doing that is because of the project that ASV is currently looking at doing. They're looking at building a 60,000 square foot warehouse. And what they would do with that warehouse is move some of the current warehouse facilities that are in their manufacturing facility into the new warehouse facility. And they would create a second manufacturing line that would produce tracked mini excavators. So the loan would be forgiven over a 7-year period, provided that ASV met certain job creation targets. And those job creation, I believe they have to create 115 jobs over the first 2 years, and that's their projection. Overall, they think that they would create about 363 jobs. 284 of those would be production, and 79 would be administrative jobs. Certainly use the development. We're doing everything we can to help promote that project, and hopefully it comes to fruition, and this is just one step in that process. Rob also gave us a brief presentation about the project and the different players that are currently participating. IRRR would be participating. DEED would also be participating in several other ways, including some job training type money and some sales tax rebates and other things that they have in their toolbox to help this project come to fruition. So it's really been a team effort between the Grand Rapids EDA and the IRRR and DEED to help move this project forward. And we also extended our agreement with Cambium Development. We had a purchase and development agreement with them that expired recently. The additional 6 months that we extended that will allow them to continue to develop their project. What started out as kind of a restaurant on the first level, this is the old VFW site that I'm talking about right now, would have been a restaurant and retail on the first level and then some apartments above it. That didn't really work from a cash flow perspective, so they've started to look at a small boutique hotel on that site. They're continuing to do their due diligence, and we extended that agreement for 180 days. We also adopted a resolution to accept a $40,000 grant from the Blandon Foundation, and we'd appreciate their help to develop a downtown master plan. We also have a $20,000 grant from IRRR to help with that. That's really kind of a mini comp plan just for the downtown area. We did one about, I think it's been about 15 years. My math might be a little bit wrong there, but we're looking forward to updating our downtown redevelopment plan and continuing to grow and improve the downtown. We also approved some concept drawings and cost proposals from EC Designs for our industrial park signs. And we discussed a grant with the Northland Foundation to maybe help a little bit with this VFW project, the Cambrian Hotel project. So we hope to get some good news there as well. That was the majority of our meeting. We look forward to seeing you soon and have a great day. Thank you.